In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sub-user to ClickFunnel. We'll walk through inviting a team member, choosing the right access, and sending the invitation so they can jump in securely and start helping right away. Start inside your account. At the bottom left, click your workspace name. If you manage multiple teams, hover over the team you're working with and select Team Settings. This is your control center for who can see and do what. From the Team Settings menu, open Team Members. On the right, click Invite a new team member. This opens the invite panel where you set up the person you're adding. Enter their email address, then their first and last name. Use an email they actively check since the invitation arrives there. Names aren't required for access, but they keep your roster clear and searchable, especially if you have a larger team. Next, set workspace privileges. Choose which workspaces they should see and assign user roles that define their permissions inside each workspace. As a quick guide, Reader is view-only. Builder creates and edits assets. Marketing handles campaigns and automations. Support focuses on customer help. Affiliate Manager manages your affiliate program. Community Manager oversees community areas. Workspace Administrator has full control within that workspace. And Payments handles transactions and payouts. If you're unsure, start with the least access they need and expand later. You can also set team privileges at the account level, which is optional. Billing Contact gives them the ability to manage billing and payment information. Team Administrator grants full control over team management and other team members. Reserve these for people you explicitly trust with sensitive settings. When everything looks right, click Create Invitation. Your new teammate will receive an email with a link to join. Ask them to check spam or promotions if it doesn't appear within a few minutes. Once they accept, their name will show in Team Members with the roles you chose. That's it. You accessed team settings, opened team members, entered their details, set workspace roles, optionally granted team-level privileges, and sent the invitation. Remember, you can revisit team members at any time to adjust access as responsibilities change. One quick tip before we wrap up. If the person contributes across multiple workspaces, try to keep their role consistent to reduce friction. Document why higher permissions were granted and set a reminder to review access periodically. This simple habit keeps your account tidy, secure, and easier to manage as your team grows.